American military leader General Douglas MacArthur's words still ring true today. Whoever controls the seas controls the world. The U.S. Navy has been dominating the ocean for centuries, wielding advanced missile systems and the deadliest weapons known to man. What is the most lethal weapon in the U.S. Navy's arsenal? What features make them so deadly? Prepare to witness the sheer might of the U.S. Navy as we delve into its arsenal of deadly weapons. We'll show you what it takes to be a true naval superpower, and leave you in awe of the devastating force that is the U.S. Navy. Tomahawk Land Attack Missile. At a hefty price tag of $569,000 apiece, these cruise missiles are worth every penny when it comes to packing a powerful punch. With a top speed of 550 miles per hour and a maximum range of between 700 and 1,350 nautical miles, depending on the version used, the Tomahawk is a force to be reckoned with. Its versatility is impressive. With the ability to carry either 166 bomblets, a 1,000-pound conventional warhead, or even the E-80 nuclear warhead with a 150 kilonewton yield. One of the most impressive features of the Tomahawk is its Block 4 missiles, which can be reprogrammed in flight to hit different targets. This means that the missile can adapt to changing battlefield scenarios, making it a highly efficient and effective tool in the hands of the Navy. While the Tomahawk may be expensive, it is a weapon that is well worth the investment for the U.S. Navy. Its reliability and accuracy have been tested and proven time and again, making it a key component of the Navy's arsenal. With the ability to strike targets from afar and deliver a devastating blow, the Tomahawk is a weapon that strikes fear into the hearts of its enemies. Mk-48 Heavyweight Torpedo. The Mk-48 Heavyweight Torpedo is a marvel of military technology that has proven to be an effective and lethal weapon in the arsenal of the United States Navy. With a staggering 650 pounds of high explosives packed into its warhead, the Mk-48 is capable of delivering a devastating blow to any target that stands in its way. Capable of swimming at 28 knots for over 5 miles, the Mk-48 is an incredibly agile torpedo that can quickly and accurately hone in on its target using its advanced sonar system. This system allows it to identify and track enemy vessels with ease, making it a formidable force in the water. The Mod 7 version of the Mk-48 takes things a step further, with its advanced sonar and guidance systems making it even more effective in deep and littoral waters. This makes it capable of getting past enemy countermeasures, ensuring that it can hit its target with deadly precision. Overall, the Mk-48 Heavyweight Torpedo is a weapon that strikes fear into the hearts of the Navy's enemies. With its impressive speed, accuracy, and power, it is a weapon that has proven its worth time and again on the battlefield. Trident II Ballistic Missile. The Trident II Ballistic Missile is a weapon that strikes fear into the hearts of anyone who knows of its power. Deployed aboard Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines, this missile is capable of carrying a staggering 14 independently targeted nuclear warheads, each one capable of causing untold devastation. The warheads themselves are equally terrifying. The W-76 warhead has a yield of 100 kiloton, while the W-88 has a yield of 475 kiloton, both of which are capable of unleashing a catastrophic explosion. The submarines themselves were designed to carry 24 missiles each, meaning that they have the potential to unleash a truly terrifying barrage of nuclear destruction. Despite this, the number of nuclear warheads on a Trident II is limited to 8 by nuclear treaties, and the number of missiles on each submarine is limited to 20. But even with these limitations, the Trident II remains a weapon that can wreak havoc on an unimaginable scale. Overall, the Trident II ballistic missile is a weapon that serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nuclear weapons. Its capabilities are both awe-inspiring and terrifying, making it a weapon that is as deadly as it is impressive. Standard Missile. The Standard Missile may have a boring name, but its capabilities are nothing short of deadly. As a family of missiles designed for primarily shooting down planes and helicopters, the Standard Missile is a formidable weapon that can also be used to attack ships, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles. One particularly impressive feat of the Standard Missile was when one took out a satellite, a testament to its versatility and power. The SM-2 is particularly effective at crippling enemy ships, while the SM-3 is designed to focus on ballistic missiles. But the youngest member of the family, the SM-6, is perhaps the most fearsome of all. Successfully engaging both cruise and ballistic missiles, It has already proven to be a beast to be reckoned with. In the future, it may even be tested against surface ships, a prospect that is sure to strike fear into the hearts of any enemies of the United States. Mk-50 Advanced Lightweight Torpedo. The U.S. Navy's Mk-50 Advanced Lightweight Torpedo may be smaller and lighter than the Mk-48, but it is more powerful and advanced. With a 100-pound warhead and the ability to swim at a blistering speed of 40 knots, the Mk-50 is designed to chase down and destroy double-hulled nuclear submarines. What is the secret behind the Mk-50 Advanced Lightweight Torpedo's deadly reputation in the U.S. Navy? The answer lies in its remarkable capability to penetrate torpedo countermeasures and effectively neutralize enemy submarines, even in shallow water. This exceptional feature sets it apart from other weapons and makes it an indispensable tool for the Navy's strategic operations. This makes it an incredibly powerful weapon that can strike at the heart of any enemy submarine, regardless of their defenses. The Mk-50 is a weapon that has been designed with a singular goal in mind: to destroy enemy submarines with pinpoint accuracy and ruthless efficiency. It is a weapon that is capable of causing immense destruction and loss of life, and one that the U.S. Navy is not afraid to deploy when the situation demands it. The Mk-50 Advanced Lightweight Torpedo is an impressive weapon that is feared by enemies of the United States. With its impressive speed and destructive power, it is a testament to the U.S. Navy's commitment to maintaining its dominance on the seas. Laser Weapon System. The U.S. Navy's laser weapon system is not just a weapon, it's a force of destruction unlike any other. Concentrating light into a fine point, this deadly weapon heats its target until it burns or explodes. Already deployed aboard the USS Ponce, the laser weapon system is capable of firing at different targets in rapid succession, making it an incredibly versatile and deadly weapon. What makes the laser weapon system particularly fearsome is its low cost per shot, less than $1 each. This makes it an incredibly efficient and cost-effective weapon that can be used to double-tap any target without hesitation. While the laser weapon system has only been used in tests so far, the crew of the USS Ponce is allowed to use it to defend the ship from actual threats. This is a testament to the weapon's effectiveness and the Navy's confidence in its ability to protect its ships from any danger. Railgun. The railgun, a futuristic weapon that uses magnetic fields to launch projectiles at hypersonic speeds, is an impressive piece of technology that the U.S. Navy is currently testing. The railgun is so powerful that it can shoot a round over 110 nautical miles with remarkable accuracy. The USNS Millinocket carries the prototype weapon, which uses electromagnetic force to fire a solid metal slug at Mach 7 or over 5,000 miles per hour. The railgun is a game-changer for the Navy because it is capable of hitting targets much farther away than any other gun system in the fleet. The speed and accuracy of the railgun make it an ideal weapon for taking out bunkers and other hard targets without the need for explosives. This makes it an incredibly deadly weapon that can deliver a devastating blow to any target that comes into its crosshairs. Arleigh Burke-class Guided Missile Destroyer. The Arleigh Burke-class destroyers are not to be taken lightly. These legendary vessels, named after the World War II admiral, are the backbone of the Navy's fleet, comprising over a fifth of all the ships in service. Their Aegis radar system is the heart of their combat systems, which can direct a range of air defense missiles against incoming targets. Aegis can coordinate the defense of an entire naval surface group and fire on targets at extended ranges. These destroyers are heavily armed and have a ballistic missile defense capability, with the ability to launch specialized SM-3 missiles against ballistic missiles. For anti-submarine warfare, the Burke class has a built-in SQQ-89 sonar system, with a towed sonar system scheduled for future upgrades. The ship mounts 6 Mk-46 anti-submarine torpedoes, and its embarked MH-60R anti-submarine helicopters provide long-range anti-submarine capability. These ships are equipped with conventional guns, including a 5-inch, 127mm gun on the bow, 2 25mm guns and 4 0.50 caliber machine guns. The Burke class also has 2 Phalanx 1B close-in weapon systems capable of firing on incoming missiles, helicopters, UAVs, and small boats. These impressive weapons play a crucial role in ensuring the U.S. Navy remains a dominant force on the seas. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like to show your support. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Which U.S. Navy weapon